Hey travel buffs, I'm Neetha Shetty in association with Adotrip, the only travel website in India that is vocal for local. Ready? And today I'll be sharing few tips for packing. So what I keep in mind while packing is I sort my things separately, like be it makeup, your toiletries, footwear, and I have separate cloth pouches for it. So I keep my makeup in a different pouch, toiletries in a different pouch, footwear, and whatever. So it's basically easy, so when you open your bag, you know where's your makeup, where's your toiletry. And also an important thing is whenever you're carrying your toiletries, be it face wash, shampoo, always carry a mini bottle, so it saves a lot of space, and and it is very easier and very handy to carry. And also what I do is, suppose if I'm going for a 4-day trip, so what I do is I sort my things accordingly, like I know this is gonna be I'm wearing on the first day or the second day, so I accordingly keep it. So the clothes that I'll be wearing on the first day are on the top, and the last days are underneath. And also don't overpack, but carry a couple of extra clothes, and also carry a laundry bag just in case you might need to dump your clothes. So yeah, these were my few tips for packing. I hope it helped you. So have a great day.